Emily, we need to talk.
Talk about what? You barely talk to me anymore.
I'm busy. Work has been crazy.
Busy, that's your excuse? You come home late every night.
I'm trying to provide for us. You know that.
What about emotional support? I need you here, not just physically.
I'm here, aren't I? What more do you want?
I want you to listen. I want you to engage. I feel alone in this marriage.
Alone? I thought everything was fine.
Fine? It's far from fine. We hardly talk anymore.
I'm stressed. I thought you understood that.
I do understand, but it feels like you don't care about me. It's all about work.
That's not true. I care about you. I care about our family.
If you cared, you'd make time for us. You'd ask me how my day was.
I didn't realize you felt this way. I thought I was doing the right thing.
Doing the right thing, ignoring me isn't right. I'm your wife, not just a roommate.
I'm sorry. I never wanted to make you feel that way.
Sorry isn't enough. You need to show me. Actions speak louder than words.
Okay, I'll try. I promise to make more time for you.
You've said that before. I need to see real change.
I know. I'll set boundaries at work. I'll prioritize us.
That's a start, but it needs to be consistent. I can't keep feeling like this.
You won't. I love you too much to let this continue.
I love you too, but it hurts. I need you to be present.
I will be. I'll call you during my breaks. I'll text you more.
Good. Little things matter. I miss the small gestures.
I promise. I'll bring home your favorite dessert tonight.
That's sweet. It's a step in the right direction.
Let's plan a date night. Just us. No distractions.
I'd like that. It feels good to talk about this.
It does. I'm sorry for the fight. I never wanted to hurt you.
Neither did I. I just want us to be happy together.
We will be. Let's work through this together.
Agreed. I still love you, David.
I love you too, Emily. More than you know.